Hello friends, today's topic, today market correction, 4 reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. After many days of uptrend, Nifty fell by around 1% in the morning, finally closed 0.4% down today. However, the Nifty small cap 100 index fell by around 0.9% after being down around 2% intraday. The large cap, mid cap and small cap indices are all still close to their lifetime highs. Although many people are expecting a good correction, as of now it has not happened. There are a few reasons and upcoming announcements and events which are keeping markets slightly nervous and it might increase volatility. The India VIX volatility index went up by 4% intraday but then fell and was up by 1%. Reasons for weakness in markets today. Upcoming quarterly results from tomorrow. TCS will announce its quarter results tomorrow. TCS along with Infosys a good weightage in Sensex and Nifty. Depending on TCS results, the other companies will also react. Markets are nervous about the IT companies' results. This is why IT shares fell by 1 to 2% today. 2. SEBI meeting on new rules for FNO. The working committee of SEBI has proposed a few changes to SEBI to regulate and reduce the participation of retail investors in FNO trading. As per SEBI, 89% of the traders lose money in FNO trading. In spite of this disclaimer, when opening trading apps, the retail investors are trading due to the greed and the optimism of the bull market. As per reports, the Working Committee on Futures and Options has recommended increasing the minimum lot size of derivative contracts to 20 lakhs from 5 lakhs presently, restricting weekly options to only one expiry per stock exchange per week and limiting the number of strike prices for options contract to curb the massive rise in derivative volume. SEBI had appointed an expert working committee last month to address the issue of excessive speculation driven by high retail participation in recent years. The SEBI panel will meet on 15 July to consider the suggestions. It will then discuss and decide whether it will accept any of the recommendations given by the working committee. So investors could be slightly nervous about the likely changes. 3. Profit booking. The markets have had a dream run since 4 June with no correction above 1% for more than a month. So many short-term investors will be just doing routine profit booking. It's good if there are periodic and small corrections compared to unexpected large corrections of market. 4. Budget day is nearing. The budget will be presented on 23rd July. Markets are always hopeful and nervous about the budget. There are only 7 trading days before the budget. There is a market holiday on 17 July for Muharram. Many large investors usually prefer to lighten positions before big announcement and then take decisions after that. Many investors have been asking us in the comment section of various videos about when there will be a market correction. As such, it is due anytime. However, don't take decisions for long-term investment based on this. We have a vision of minimum 8 years. You can invest lump sum in good stocks in few installments. Also, to do SIP, SCP, there is no right time. Invest every month regularly and the power of compounding will do the work of creating wealth for you. On the other hand, for short-term trades, this is not the best time to enter unless you have a clear buy indication based on technical analysis. If and when there is a correction and there is a sell indication, you must sell stocks bought for short term. In fact, for short term trade, you must always wish for volatility since it will give you opportunity to buy and sell and make money. So short term volatility is actually good for both long term and short term investors. End of the video, here is the question. Have you been increasing your SIP every year based on the increase in your savings? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.